Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on the Threads app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And once it is opened up, you will be taken into your homepage after you sign in using your Instagram. Once you are in this page, if you wish to invite friends, tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. You will now see the follow and invite friends option. Go ahead and tap on this. And now you will see various different options by which you can invite your friends. You can choose your Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, your SMS, email, or you can directly tap on the Share My Profile option to share your profile link. After choosing your method, you will be taken to this app and you can choose your friends to send the invite to. Finally, tap on the Done button at the bottom right corner and now you can tap on the Send button to send your invite. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friend on the Threads app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.